Welcome to Cakes Factory, where cakes meets creativity. Today we are diving into the rich and irresistible world of chocolate cake design, from simple to elegant to over-the-top showstopper. These 20 chocolate cakes ideas are perfect for birthday parties, simple parties, casual parties, and chocolate lovers everywhere. The first is classic cho Classic chocolate ganj cake. The second is chocolate drip cake. Buttercream base with chocolate dripping down the sides. Add cookies or candies on the top. The next is black forest cake, chocolate lovers cake. The next is chocolate overloaded cake, covered with chocolate bars, Oreos, Kit Kat, you name it, a true chocolate lover dream. The next is coconut cake, chocolate and crushed hazelnuts or almonds combines creamy and crunchy for a rich, nutty delight. The next is triple chocolate mousse cake, three smooth layers, dark milk and fine chocolate mousse, staked to create a soft and chilled thread. The next is chocolate floral cake. Use chocolate buttercream to pipe beautiful flowers, roses, ponies, or sunflowers. Perfect for birthdays or weddings. The next is marble chocolate cake. Swirl chocolate and vanilla together for a marble effect inside. Decorate with conch with and rip chocolate. The next is cocoa caramel cake. Layer of moist chocolate cake filled with salted caramel cream and topped with caramel drips. So rich and so grand. The next is mini bento cake. A small cake in the box, all one's favorite. The next is tall chocolate tower. The next is heart-shaped cake. Chocolate in a heart shape. Looks romantic and sweet. The next is chocolate rosette cake. Covered completely in piped chocolate rosette. Looks floral, fancy and perfect for celebrations. The next is chocolate fault line cake. Modern and trendy. The next is cocoa berry cake. The combo is always a hit. The next is dark chocolate elegance cake. Adult friendly and look elegant. The next is chocolate mirror glaze cake. Shiny glass-like chocolate glaze makes this cake look professional and luxurious. The next is chocolate smash cake. Smash it opens with a mini hammer. The next is chocolate sprinkle cake. It's playful, perfect for kids and kids' birthday. The next is themed chocolate cake. Turn your cake or chocolate cake into a character or style, like a makeup style cake, a hero theme cake, a gamer cake, all in a chocolate. And there have you it. 20 delicious chocolate cake designs ideas you can try for anyone's birthday or celebration. Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comment and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more sweet videos only here at Cakes Factory. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video. Stay tuned and stay chocolatey. Love you all. Bye.